Here's a look at the situation with Bitcoin right now, with the Crypto-Quebec indicator, because, you saw that. So we have a candlestick at 31,000. We bounce. Do we continue with a green vector or do we stop? What do you think? You know that the candlestick, the line that's there, it's already printed, right? That was printed in a previous candlestick, and it doesn't move. Look, here, it was already printed. Printed. Man, we're here live, okay? And look, here, the candlestick is already printed, so you can't say it's by chance. The Crypto-Quebec indicator, my indicator, is king, and it's free. I'll tell you where to get the indicator, and right after that, I'll explain what I see for Bitcoin. Today, I'll analyze it, and I'll tell you what happened, and I'll tell you what I think might happen. So, if you want to get the Crypto-Quebec indicator, it's super easy, super easy. You come here. You see at the bottom of the video, in the description, you click here, because it's my link tree, actually. You go to Discord, indicator section, 3 Crypto-Quebec indicators that are free. I'll say free. Yes, it's free. Indicator section on Discord. And if you want to join me and my team of traders, my teams, because I have teams on each platform. So if you take the platform with me, 1, you see the bonuses, and 2, look at the results, okay? Because we make money when it goes up, and we make money when it goes down. It's at 46%, and that's it. For Mr. Vecina on the H&H in short, without leverage, it's not fraudulent. It was his birthday a few days ago. Happy birthday, Mr. Vecina. You see, if you want to join my team, I share everyone who makes gains. Listen, I'm not the only one.
Now what I'm going to watch for is the pink reversal candlestick, because at the end of an impulse, a pink reversal candlestick. At the end of an impulse, a pink reversal candlestick. At the end of an impulse, a pink reversal candlestick. But the zone to check, I'll tell you right away. We come here on the 1 hour. It's called a dead cat bounce. What we do is we take our Fibonacci here, we bring it down, we take the highest point that's there, and we bring it down here. Right? And the zone to watch will be here. It's this zone here. Why? Well, the middle of the channel. It will take us a vector. I had it today. So it will cross because it's this zone here at $100,000 because it's called the golden ratio. The golden ratio, normally it's the place where traders will short. I'm a trader. I know that. So you have to watch. Is it going to happen? I don't know, but I have the information. When it gets here, you'll have to be careful. And also the Crypto-Quebec indicator. What does it say? It says that this here, it's going down like this, right? And this is going to go up, right? And here, it's going to go to the top of the channel, right? And what happens at the top of the channel? What happens at the top of the channel? It happens that it can dump. And look, my indicator tells me that this here, these are wicks. Okay, I'll put it here for you. My indicator says that this here, these are wicks. Wick, wick, wick. Well, it can dump. So we need to see. We need to be cautious. We need to check what's happening. Now we are creating text. Words are being added.